If you want to uninstall an itch.io game that you installed through the itch.io desktop app, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest way to remove it safely from your computer in just a few clicks. This is especially helpful if the game is taking up space, you're done playing it, or you simply want to clean up your library. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides. Let's get started. First, open the itch.io desktop app on your computer. Once it loads, head over to your library where all of your installed and available games are listed. Find the game you want to remove and click on it to open the game options. Next, look for the settings or gear icon next to the game title. This little icon is where itch.io keeps the management tools for that specific game. Click the gear icon and from the menu that appears, choose Manage. This will open the controls for that game, including install and uninstall options. From there, select Uninstall Now. The app will begin removing the game from your system. Depending on the size of the game and your computer speed, it may take a few moments. Once the uninstall process is finished, the game will no longer appear as installed in your library. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled an itch.io game using the desktop app. It's a simple process, but once you know where the settings are, it becomes very easy to do again anytime you need. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.